So this is the rest of July. Garden tour, and it is in memory of Kathie. This will probably be the last one I do, but there's our black-eyed Susan. A rocket larkspur is the purple flowers that you see there, and I've already shown the clover. Here's some of our poppies. Not even sure what those are. Those purple ones, they're pretty. And I'm coming over here to show you all a really cool sunflower. I don't know if you can see that. And then here's an Asian lily. I'm going to look up what that is.
The cabbage and the green ones looks pretty good.
Good. Okay, so this is our third entry for 2025 of our garden tour. The beans, look at that, how far up that's going. And what's next to the beans that you're watering now?
Those are peppers.
Peppers, and over here are more beans. These are bush beans that are taking off like crazy. Then one bean is going over into the other.
Okay, went into the other part and started climbing up that thing.
Yeah, it's funny. And apparently our cabbage, where Kathie netted it, is doing good, or screened it, or whatever you want to say it is. And what we have cabbage that she transplanted, because the rosemary's coming up, but there was cabbage. Yeah, she planted the rosemary, but cabbage started coming up where that was. So apparently they did that last year. And as you can see, the netted cabbage is doing well, keeping them caterpillars away from it this year.
It doesn't seem like anything's happening with that cucumber.
This one section that you have the cucumbers in, you got clovers coming up too, 3-leaf clover coming up too, and looks like some carrots. Keep growing carrots because we want carrot pesto. And these are our chocolate cherry sunflowers coming up. They're really coming up. So we're growing a beanstalk. Soon we'll be able to climb it and see the giant. And this bean over here has a bloom on it. So a couple blooms actually. We'll be able to get some beans soon.
It said it was bush beans, but
Kathie said it said bush beans, but she's not sure it really is bush beans now. So it's doing good. What's
peppers,
red peppers, and it has a bloom on it, so we should get some peppers soon too.
Not there yet, but
radishes are coming up nice. Yay. Kathie grows those for me.
Careful.
There's our cherry tree. They look different. The one is like going out, and the other one
looks like totally different trees.
Yeah. And we finally have some cucamelons coming up, which is a type of cucumber. Seem to be coming up now, and some flat beans. Go away, bug. Go away, bug. And what did you say those were?
Beans.
Beans. We got 3 bloomed roses and 4 buds and 2 buds by that rose.
All 4 around that one.
A bunch. So this one's doing well. The other one ain't not so well this year. Are these? What's that?
Well, it's supposed to be morning glories, but
Doesn't really look like
are.
it. Yeah. Not sure what those are. They were supposed to be morning glories, but ew, this one's really getting eaten.
needs some attention.
So this is the third installment of our garden tours this year for 2025. We got a neat yellow flower and a teeny little red flower. Kathie says it kind of looks like a mini snapdragon. And some of our yarrow is blooming. Most of it's just starting, but you can see some flowers have started in the yarrow. So this is called a wood lily. And we have our daylilies coming up. There's a cornflower. Some more black-eyed Susans, the daisies. And this kind of peaches lily said that it's a ditch lily. Well, we got some more. The irises are gone. Here's some marigolds. I think I showed you that before. I'm not sure. I was surprised that they were up because I know that they're more fall flower. There's some beautiful poppies. And here's the yarrow. And then I wanted to show you our milkweed. There's the milkweed, which really have been attracting the monarchs lately, which I've been enjoying. There's some plumed coxcomb, which are one of my favorites. And more of what she had gotten done. Beans are really coming up. Probably be getting some soon. And let's check the cabbage is looking good, which is on the screen. And then we showed you our roses and one rose plant. And morning glories really didn't do too good this year. I'm not even sure that those are morning glories. I'm going to take a picture of them. Oh, I was right. That is not a morning glory. It is a evening nightshade. And then I'm going to come over here, see how the Black Beauty zucchini that Kathie planted is doing. Oh, we got a pepper coming. I'm not sure if that's harvestable yet or not. If y'all want to help me with that one, please do. There's one of the flowers for Black Beauty zucchini. I'm not sure what those are. Almost looks like, I don't know. I'll have to see about that. And then there's a tomato coming up. But so as I walk through our yard, I'm gonna end with our gladiolas because that was one of Kathie's favorite flowers. That and the sweet williams, which have gone away already. So I'm gonna end here on the gladiolas. And as I said, this is in memory of Kathie. She loved her garden. And this is the last one that she will even be in. Thank you all for watching. And if you like the garden videos, you know what to do.